Max. Max. Get up.
Good morning, Milo.
Get up, sleepy dog. Today is a fun day.
Why? What are we doing?
We have to go and explore the city.
Oh, that sounds great.
First, tell me, what do you want? Tea or coffee?
I want tea, please.
Okay. Come downstairs.
Good morning, Aunt.
Good morning, Max. Sit down. I am making tea for you.
Thank you very much. The tea is very nice.
I am happy you like it.
Aunt, where is Uncle?
He went to work early today.
Oh, okay.
Drink fast, Max. We will be late.
You are right. I will go upstairs and get ready.
Don't hurry, Max. Take your time.
Okay, Aunt.
Wow, Max. You look great.
Thank you, Milo. I am ready to go.
Max, Milo, come and have breakfast first.
Sure, Aunt.
Eat well. You will need energy.
The food is so delicious.
Thank you, Max.
Aunt, where should we go today?
You should go to that amazing garden near the market. After that, visit the beautiful cafe.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes. Let's do that.
Thank you for the breakfast, Aunt. Ready.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Be careful and enjoy your day.
Ready, Max?
Ready. Wow, this garden is so beautiful.
Yes, look at the butterfly.
Oh, they are so cute.
Let's go inside. Look at the flowers. They are very colorful.
I have never seen such unique flowers before.
Look, Max. Other animals are here with their babies.
Yes, everyone looks happy and relaxed.
Listen to the water. The fountain is so peaceful.
It is very beautiful. I love this place.
This garden is perfect for relaxing.
Yes, I am glad we came here first. So, Milo, where do we go next?
Let's go to the cafe.
Okay, I love cafes. Wow! Look at this cafe.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes! The cafe looks like a cup. It is so cute.
Come on, let's go inside.
This place is very nice.
Yes, I really like it.
Hello? What would you like to order?
We would like 2 cups of coffee.
And garlic bread, please.
Also, one burger.
Sure. Your order will be ready soon.
This cafe is small, but very beautiful.
Yes, it feels warm and cozy.
I like the cup shape of the cafe. It is very creative.
Me too. This is my favorite cafe in the city.
Here is your order. 2 cups of coffee, garlic bread, and 1 burger.
Thank you very much.
It looks so good.
Wow! The food is really tasty.
Yes, the burger is delicious.
The coffee smells great too.
I am happy we came here.
I am full now.
Let's go and pay the bill. Hello, we want to pay for the food.
Sure. Here is your bill.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye. This river is very beautiful.
Yes, and look at the boats. Everyone is having fun. Max, do you want a boat ride?
Yes, I would love to. This feels so relaxing.
I agree. The fresh air is nice.
I am really enjoying this ride.
Me too. It is a perfect day. I am feeling hungry again.
Look at those food stalls.
Let's eat some street food.
Good idea.
I got a burger and popcorn.
I got a hot dog and fries.
Street food in this city is really good.
Yes, I like it a lot. The sunset looks so beautiful.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
Do you remember our childhood?
Of course. We played together near the beach every day.
We ran on the sand and built small sand houses.
Those were happy times.
Yes, and today feels just like that. Stop here, Milo.
What happened?
Let's buy a small cake for Auntie.
That's a great idea. She will be happy.
This bakery looks lovely.
Yes, let's go inside. Hello, we want a small cake, please.
Can you pack it for us?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Mom, Dad, we're back.
Welcome back.
How was your day?
It was wonderful, Uncle.
We visited the garden, the cafe, and the river.
We also enjoyed a boat ride and street food.
That sounds lovely.
We bought this cake for you, Aunt.
Oh, that is so sweet of you.
The cake is delicious.
Yes, cake is too yummy.
I am very happy today.
Me too. Today was a perfect day.
Thank you for this sweet treat, kids.